regarding 5G. Africa is now booming with AI initiatives across the continent, and also network automation and a whole lot of other initiatives that Nokia is currently at the forefront of. What are some of your big projects at the moment?
Look, let me start with 5G. I think is what is good to see is that there is a continuous investment in 5G in South Africa to increase the coverage. 5G as a technology is much more efficient than the previous generation, so it has the potential to provide more bandwidth, more speed, less latency than 4G had. But we also see now the evolution towards 5.5G. But one use case that we see taking place in Africa is about fixed wireless access. How to use
Yes.
fixed wireless access technology on 5G for location where they don't have fiber. And that's also something that we work closely with some operator to understand how can we democratize more FWA. On the same time, one initiative that we do with on the fiber is how to bring more fiber to the home in the low-income segment and high-density area. That's really something important to us because, as I mentioned before, we believe that anybody should be able to go home, or any kids coming back from school should be able to go and get a YouTube tutorial to learn on how to do a math problem that they didn't understood at school. But if they don't have access to data at an affordable price, it won't be possible. So for that point of view, for us, bringing more fiber to the home in the low-income high density area, it's very important. And that, for example, the announcement that we did with Fiber Time not so long ago, but also with Net99, another ISP targeting the townships. But then is when you look at the network from that perspective, is how do you make them sustainable and scalable? And that's where all the automation part come. Because from an operator, the more diverse service you offer, the more you need to automate. And that's really important for the operator to keep their cost low, that the price remain competitive also on the end product they provide to the end user. Then another initiative that we're doing, and at the Africa Tech Festival we will bring that forward, is the rural connectivity. How to bring site in more remote area to provide 4G, 5G connectivity in those locations. So it means it's redesigning the site in such a way that it become easy to operate and maintain, and also from a power point of view, self-sustainable as much as possible with solar panel, wind turbine, and other. So that's also one part.
So we're going to be seeing more 5G spots
Yes.
across rural areas.
I believe we're gonna see the